Let's explore which is better, Discover or Capital One. So, let's begin. Okay, so determining whether Capital One or Discover is better depends largely on your individual preferences, financial needs, and the specific features that matters to most of you. All right, but we'll be diving into the comparison of each. Now, in terms of Capital One, credit cards. They offer a range of cards including cashback, travel rewards, and business cards. And some popular options include the Capital One Venture, if you can check that on their website, which is for travel rewards, and the Quicksilver for straightforward cashback. Now, for Discover, in terms of credit cards, it is known for its cashback rewards and customer service. Discover offers various cards with rewards tailored to different spending categories. It often has like a rotating quarterly cashback categories and feature that matches all the cashback earned in their first year for new card holders. And also, in terms of fees and interest rates, Discover typically offer cards with no annual fees and 0% APR introductory rates on purchases and balance transfers. And after the introductory period, APRs can vary based on creditworthiness, right? Now, in terms of Capital One's fees and interest rates, it's the same thing. Actually, they also offer a variety of cards with no annual fees, and some cards provide introductory of 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers, but APRs can vary based on the credit worthiness. Now, in terms of rewards and benefits, I believe Capital One offers rewards tailored to various spending categories like travel rewards and cashback options. Now, some cards provide travel-related benefits like travel insurance, and it has no foreign transaction fees and extended warranty protection. Now, in terms of rewards and benefits for Discover, well, Discover also benefits like the cashback match for new card holders, a free FICO credit score, and the Discover Deals program for additional savings. Now, here's the fun part, or it could be the deal breaker. In terms of customer service and satisfaction, I believe both banks are known for their good customer service department. However, of course, customer satisfaction can vary based on individual experiences and needs. But in terms of financial products, Discover offers banking products like savings accounts, CDs, and personal loans in addition to credit cards, while Capital One offers and provides financial products including banking services, savings account, auto loans, and home loans in addition to credit card loans. All right. Now, the thing is, when deciding between Discover and Capital One, you need to consider factors such as rewards, programs, fees, and interest rates, and of course, customer service, or if there are additional perks or benefits that aligns with your financial goal. For me, it's a good idea to review the specific cards offered by each company, their terms and benefits they provide to find the best fit for your financial needs and spending habits. You can always go here at CapitalOne.com and also here at Discover website to know more about their terms and conditions, fees and interest rates, all their products. And if you want more information or get a demo from their customer support, they'll be more than glad to do it. Actually, I have an account for both, and I can't say one is better than the other. So it really depends largely on your preferences, your budget, your location, all right, and specific features, especially for example, the mobile app. If both apps are intuitive and has an user-friendly interface, all right. And once again, you always go here at their website for more information. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in our next one.